class. So whatsoever you have to ask from us and we want to ask from you, you need to answer it in the chat box. So how's the weather there? Type it in the chat box. So one adjective for weather. I hope you have understood that we are in English test series demo, right? So would like to know about weather there in one adjective in the chat box.
I guess Winnie needs to be settled first. Her camera. So
That's good. She's fixing her camera. Also, till
yeah.
Vinny, Midhansh is typing. Oh, we
Good
have one.
evening, Manish. Welcome. Sunny.
Oh, nice. Over here at my place also, it's sunny. Great. Good to know that. And what about Minnie? Sorry, Winnie.
Manish, could you please turn on your camera? We want to see your lovely face. Wow, nice. Cloudy. According to Winnie, it's cloudy. Okay.
Good to see Manish. Winnie, we are waiting for your answer only. Then we'll be going to move forward. All right. So type it in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us. From which school and city you all are joining us.
I can see Manish is typing.
Great. Good to know that. So sunny weather and cloudy weather. Megham, which one is your favorite weather?
Cloudy, ma'am.
Great. So you'll be going to go with the team of Winnie and Manish.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll be with Medhansh because I'm also at the place of sunny weather, right, Medhansh? Please turn on your camera, Medhansh.
All right. So Manish is joining us from Karnataka, Bangalore, Viday Marigold International School. Very nice. Good to hear that. Medansh is joining us from Bal Bharati School, Delhi. Okay. Now all eyes on Vinny.
Hurry up, Winnie. We're waiting for your answers. Be quick. All right. So meanwhile, Vinny is typing. I would like to inform you all flow of the session. As I already mentioned that you all will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming classes, you can interact with the mentor freely. Okay. So today also you can communicate by typing it in the chat box, right? So soon you'll be going to meet your mentor. First, Megham will be going to paste few chat links in the chat box related to your course. Then you'll be going to meet your mentor. She's already here with us. Then after that, you'll be going to have a look on a short informative PPT related to your course. All right. Then finally, we'll be going to continue with your demo. So Megham, I think we can have a chat links in the chat box. Yeah, Winnie has also typed her school name.
Yeah, she's from Angel School, State Mumbai. Okay.
No, it's not Angel. It's Egnell School, State Mumbai.
Ignal. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Right, Winnie? Correct. All right. I saw her hand raising. Then I saw her school's name. Great. Megha ma'am, can we have a chat links in the chat box, please?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
I believe my chat links is visible to everyone. So kids, as you can see, the first link is all about syllabus link. So if you're in grade 3, just click on this particular link. And if you're in grade 4, then you have to just click on this particular link. Payment can be made by just clicking on this particular link. You can share your feedback by just clicking on this particular link. And all the batch details will be just clicking on this link. In case of further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. If you find any internet glitch while having this video, we are going live on Facebook. Just click on this link and you can have this video on Facebook itself. So this is all about chat links. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Manish, Vinny, Medansh, very nice. All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I would like to introduce your mentor. She's already here with us. She's a wonderful mentor. Her conceptual clarity is endless. She loves to interact with kids like you, and her class is always engaging and wonderful. So all over to you, Vidhi ma'am.
So good evening, everyone. Nice to see you all in the class. So my name is Vidhi Narang. I will be your mentor for this session for the test class also. And I am already taking classes with Olympiad Success, and also I am teaching in a school. So I am already working with kids and would love to work with kids ahead also. So now over to you, Pooja ma'am. You can go ahead with the demo, and then we will see you soon with the test series.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Megha ma'am, can we have a PPT on the screen, please?
Yes. So allow me a moment. Just sharing my screen.
So meanwhile, I would like to know which is your favorite topic. Medansh, Manish, Vinny. Quickly type it in the chat box. Which is your
Okay,
favorite
ma'am,
topic?
you have to make me host.
In just a moment. So which one is your favorite topic? Type it in the chat box and let's see which your mentor has planned for your demo.
Shall I start?
Yeah, sure. I think we are getting answers. Oh, Medansh, adjectives. Great. Good to know that. And what about others? So Manish's favorite topic is verbs and Winnie's favorite topic is nouns. Great, very nice. All right, so wait for a while and we'll be going to move forward with your demo class and let's see what your mentor has planned, right? So let's have a PPT, Megha ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, so I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. This is demo interaction program for grade 4 and the subject is English. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We have 8 courses having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. What else we provide? We provide online classes plus Olympiad classes from grade 6 to 10, one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, MathsCon, US Common Core Maths Competition, Maths Kangaroo, and PRMO, and JEE main preparation classes. These are rank holders. These are the kids like you only. So if you are, you just need extra 2 hours from regular curriculum activities because curriculum activities. So what else we provide? We provide a group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 to 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of breaks. In this session, we'll discuss the previous year question paper from Olympiads. Syllabus is available on this particular link, and if the fee of this course is rupees 2,500, it is a 10-session course, and payment can be made by using this, clicking on this particular link. The fees includes discussion of 10 mock tests containing the previous year question paper. So what else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speeds and headphones with a better audio clarity. The live classes will be started from September 18, which is on Wednesday. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success has students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up like this if I'm clear. Okay, great. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So kids, I would like to inform you that as you already know that you have joined a demo session of test series. So I would like to brief about test series. So test series are basically meant for your preparation for your lumped examination, that you should solve your question, you should solve your worksheets in a very quick manner without thinking it, right? So that's why we have come up with this short course related to test series. So you'll be going to get test 10 papers, okay? 10 test papers you'll be going to get, which will be going to send to you on your WhatsApp number. All right. Once you have enrolled for this particular batch, then you'll be going to get these test papers in a particular group, which will be going to create it for the same, right? So no need to hop on the website. Definitely you'll be going to get test papers in your WhatsApp group only, right? Hope I'm clear to all of you. Let's begin with the demo now. Show me thumbs up if you're clear with everything. And quickly type your class days and timings in the chat box. Would like to see whether you have seen PPT carefully or not. And hope you are aware of your course. So quickly type it in the chat box. What are your class days and class timings? And make sure that you should type it to me directly, or Megha ma'am or Vidhi ma'am, not to everyone. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up. We are waiting. Manish, do you have any query? You can type it to me, please. What you mean to ask means I didn't get your question properly. If you can just ask it once again. Please elaborate your question. So basically you are from Marigold International School, right? Okay. So you mean to ask that we will be going to share these test papers with that school? This is what you mean to ask? Okay, no. So let me clear you over here. So these courses, we have a separate courses, right? Which particular students takes, right? So if you want to enroll for this particular batch, you can just go on our website and you can buy a test series course. Okay. So this will not be distributed to any of the schools. Clear? Yeah. All right. So we got a days in our chat box. So Midhansh is correct. Days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It will be 8 till 9:15 p.m. Is it others? Tell me, hurry up. Is Midhansh correct or not? This too, you can show me thumbs up. Correct. Very nice. So all over to you, Vidhi ma'am. We can have a class begin.
Okay. So, good evening. Once again, we are going to start with the class. I will be sharing a test paper with you, questions. Okay. I will be sharing it with you. Okay. You will type the answers in the chat box. If you don't know any answer, just raise your hand. So I will help you answer. Okay. And I will let you know also whether you've answered correctly or no. You will type the answer directly to me. So I come to know whether you know the answer or you don't know the answer. Okay. Or what we can do is, I will show you the question. Let's do it the other way. I will show you the question paper. Okay. You raise your hand. I will ask them to answer in the chat box. Okay. Suppose if Winnie raises her hand, I will ask Winnie, please type the answer in the chat box. If Manish does, then I will ask Manish to type the answer in the chat box. And then I will let you know whether it is correct or not. Medansh, please turn on your cameras. We do not allow the students to turn off the cameras during the class. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead. I am sharing the screen. Okay. Fine. Is the screen visible? Test paper is visible? Okay. Fine. So, question 1 to 13, you have to choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Okay. So, the first question is, Neil Armstrong was dash first man to land on the moon. Your options are a, an, the, or no articles required. Okay? A, an, the, or no articles required. The question was Neil Armstrong was fill in the blank, the first man to land on the moon. What is the answer? I want Winnie to type the answer and send the answer directly to me. Correct. So the answer is the. Why is the answer the? Because he was the first person, only person to land on the moon. So the. Okay, no a. Manish, are you clear? What was your answer? Same the. Yes. Medansh. Okay, fine. Now I am sharing the screen again. We go ahead with question 2. My sister dash English every day after her music class. Option A study, studies, studied, had study. Okay? Clear with the question? Yes, Medansh, please answer. Do you know the answer, Medansh? Please type it in the chat box. Do you want me to show the question again? No? You don't know the answer, Medansh? Okay, Manish, please answer. Okay, Medansh has answered studies. Manish, please answer. Fine. Now, I am sharing the screen again. Good evening, Kevish. Kevish, can you please turn on your camera? Fine. So, my sister studies English every day after her music class. Correct. Next, I dash computer games when my phone rang. Okay. Now, we will do two questions together. I want all of you to type the answer in the chat box and send it to me. Okay. And then I will check. I dash computer games when my phone rang. Option A was playing, am plays, played, and had play. Quickly type the answer in the chat box. You can just type the option also A, B, C, or D. Fourth question. My mother has been a teacher dash last 20 years. Ago, because, for, and while. A, option A, ago, option B, because, option C, for, option D, while. Do you want me to show the question again? Or you are done with the answer? If you are done with the answer, show me a thumbs up. You want me to show the question again? Yes? Okay, I will show the question again. I am waiting for a minute and you will answer both. third and the fourth question in the chat box. Okay, let's see. Was playing a for, okay. Vinny has answered was playing. Medansh has answered A. Manish has answered B. So the fourth answer is C and the fifth answer is B. Okay, Medansh, why have you answered A? A for what? So when you have answered fourth is C and fifth is B is correct. Okay, fine. Kevish, can you please turn on your cameras? Yes. Good evening. So we are doing a test paper. Okay, you will be on mute for the demo class. You can unmute yourself from the next class when we start with the test series. Okay, today we are discussing one question paper. You will type the answers in the chat box. I would like to know from which school are you and which grade. Quickly type in the chat box. And which city. Fine. East Point School and which city? Fine. Have you typed? Delhi. Great. Fine. Now I am sharing the screen again. Okay. You all will do the next two questions. You will type the answers in the chat box. Okay. These answers were correct. I will read the complete sentence with your answer so you come to know. So, I was playing computer games when my phone rang. My mother has been a teacher for last 20 years. Now, next question, question number 5. I slept late, dash, I made it to school on time. Please write the answer in the chat box. Fifth one, I slept late, dash, I made it to school on time. Option A, because. Option B, yet. Option C is so. And option D is since. And the sixth question is, he is very relaxed, dash, he. So here, what will you add? You have to add a question tag. One more minute and then I stop sharing the screen and we check the answers. Fine. So let us check the answers. Yes, Manish, have you written the answer? Great. Medansh, Vinny, Kevish, very good. Yes. Vinny, you have a doubt? What doubt do you have? Whether your answer is correct or no? You have written yet, right? So that is your doubt. Okay, fine. So I will give you the answer when I read the complete sentence. Wasn't he? Okay, so isn't. Fine. Now I am giving you the answer. So I slept late, yet I made it to school on time. So is not the correct answer. How can the answer be so? I slept late, so I made it to school on time. If you sleep late, you cannot go to school on time, right? Yet I made it to school on time is the correct answer. Okay? I slept late because I made it to school on time. Wrong. And since is also the answer is wrong. Yet I made it to school on time. He is very relaxed, isn't he? Is the correct answer. Clear till now? Clear? Show me a thumbs up if you all are clear. Very good. Kevish, are you clear with the answer? Do you have any doubt? Kevish, you need to show me a thumbs up if you are clear. Fine. Vinny, stop sharing the whiteboard, please. Vinny, please stop sharing the whiteboard. Fine. Now, let's go ahead. Vinny, turn on your camera. Kevish, please turn on your camera. I am showing you the next question. Fine. The seventh question. The girl dash checked her answers after finishing her test. So which is at the appropriate word that will fill in the blank? The girl elaborated, handsomely, beautifully, or carefully. So how do you check your answers? Any word meaning which you don't understand, please ask me. I will explain you the meaning so you are able to answer. Okay, the girl dash checked her answers after finishing her test. How did she check her answer? Elaborate, handsomely, beautifully, carefully. What is the answer? Write it in the chat box quickly. Okay, very good, Manish. Very good, Medhansh. Very good, Vinny. Kevish, why are you not writing the answer? Have you written the answer? Fine. So Manish you don't know the meaning of elaborate. Elaborate means, suppose if you have to write the answer, okay, in a full length, okay, like you to elaborate the sentence or elaborate the point, okay, that is the meaning of elaborate. Elongate the answer, okay, right? So when you have a one line answer, but you have to write it for 3 marks. So you will elaborate the answer and write, right? You will add more points to the answer. So that is the meaning of elaborate. Clear? Fine. Let's go ahead. Okay. We can't go to the museum dash it's closed. Option A, so. Option B, unless. Option C, because. Option D, from. We can't go to the museum dash it's closed. Quickly. Now we will do it very quickly because the answers are very easy. Okay, we will do all three, all 8, 9, 10, and 11 on this page. All. And you will answer all of them in the chat box. Okay. We can't go to the museum dash it's closed. So, unless, because, and from. That is question 8. Question 9. Many plants and animals live in the dash. Harbor, jungle, submarine, port. Harbor, jungle, submarine, port. Please type your answers in the chat box. 10th question. I like it when my teacher uses colored dash on the blackboard. Might, pit, chalk, jet. Done? Should we check the answers? Yes or no? Manish, do you want to see the questions again? Done? Kevish, Medansh? Done. Let's check the answers. Okay. Because jungle, chalk. Okay. Now I'll give out the answers. So you will come to know whether your answers are correct or not. Okay. We can't go to the museum because it's closed. So because is the answer, which is correct. Many plants and animals live in the jungle because it is their habitat. I like it when my teacher uses colored chalk. Other meanings don't go, jet, pit. So it is chalk. Okay. So all of you have given the correct answer. Now let's go ahead with the 11th question quickly. We are proud dash our motherland. On, at, of, from. Quickly, this is just a half a minute question. Not even half a minute. Question 12. Which of the two photographs is good, better, more better, best? We are talking about two photographs here. Which of the two photographs is good, better, more better, best? Keep practicing, Ben. You can do much dash. Very easy. Keep practicing, Ben. You can do much dash. I am giving you a minute to type the answers in the chat box. Let's check the answers. All of you are done? Or you want me to share the screen again? Medansh, you want me to share the screen again? Okay, I will do it. Vinny, are you done? Kevish, are you done? Done. Okay. I'm sharing the screen once again because Medansh is not done. So he will do it again. We are proud, fill in the blank, our motherland. Which of the two photographs is fill in the blank? Keep practicing, Ben. You can do much. To put in your answers. Done? Great. Let us check the answers. Okay, jungle chalk off. Better, better, better. Correct. Off. Better. And D. Fine. So, you all know the answers, right? I will read the full sentence with the answers so you are aware of the answers. Kevish, are you getting the test answers? because you are not typing. Fine. So, we are proud of our motherland. Which of the two photographs is better? Keep practicing, Ben. You can do much better. Fine. Now, what is the question? You have to choose the sentence with correct order, correct word order. So, here the sentences are given, the words are given, which are jumbled, and you will make a sentence out of it. The options are already given. You do not need to type the complete sentence, just type the option in the chat box. Okay. Sociable is very my sister a person. Okay, this is the first question. Sociable is very my sister a person. So what will be the answer? Done? Are you done? Manish? Medhansh? Medhansh, I cannot see your face. Please put your cameras properly. Yes. Vinny has not there in the class. And Manish, please turn on your cameras. Fine. So are you done with the answer? Let us check. Is it easy? Easy? Any question, if you don't understand or you don't understand the meaning, please raise your hand. I will answer it for you. Okay. Fine. So the option is C. Okay. That is the correct option. Kevish, why are you not answering? So my sister is a very sociable person is the correct answer. Physics class tomorrow and exam we have in. What will be the correct answer? Tomorrow physics class in an exam we have. We have an exam in physics class tomorrow. In physics class we have an exam tomorrow. Tomorrow an exam is in physics class. What will be the correct answer? It is very easy. Fine. Let us see who have given us the answer. Medhansh has given the answer. Oh, Manish, it's a piece of cake. Okay, great. Okay, okay. Kevish, please turn on your cameras if you are in the class. Fine. Now I will give the answer. So, the answer is we have an exam in physics class tomorrow. Answer is B. We have an exam in physics class tomorrow. Now, 16th question. Playing computer games in the we like break time. What is How will you make a sentence out of these words? These words are given to you. So you have to make a sentence. Playing computer games in the we like break time. Type the option which you think is the answer in the chat box. In the break time, we like computer games playing. Computer games we like the playing in break time. We like in the computer class break time, we like playing computer games in the break time. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer, correct answer, correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is A. We like playing computer games in the break time. Clear? Kevish, are you clear? Are you getting what we are doing in the class? Medhansh is getting. Manish is also getting. Kevish, I want you to show me a thumbs up if you are understanding what we are doing in the class. Yes? No? Now, let us go ahead. Last question left for this. My favorite the sunset is day of the path. My favorite the sunset is day of the path. I think the correct answer will be part. My favorite is the sunset of the day. The sunset is my favorite part of the day. Day the sunset is favorite of the part. My favorite sunset is the part of the day. Quickly type your answers in the chat box. I will tell you whether you are correct or no. And you have any doubt, you raise your hand and I will explain you. My favorite the sunset is day of the part. 17th one. Quickly answer. Fine. What? Yes, Kevish, you have a doubt? You can type it in the chat box. Are you clear? Fine. So the answer you have given is A. So let me read the answer. The sunset is my favorite part of the day. The sunset is my favorite part of the day. Is the correct answer. Now you have reading the passage. You have to read the passage and you have to answer the questions that follow. Okay. So I am giving you 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to just read the paragraph carefully. Just read the paragraph. Okay. And then we will go ahead with the questions. Just read it. Okay, because for questions 18 to 22 you have to read the passage and then answer the questions. You can definitely refer to the passage again because it is already given to you in the question paper, but would always recommend to read it twice before answering and then check it once again while answering. So just read the paragraph and then we go ahead. Bison, symbolic animal of the Great Plains, are often mistakenly called buffaloes. They are formidable beasts and the heaviest land animals in North America. Bison stand some 5 to 6.5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh over a ton. Despite their massive size, bison are quick on their feet. When the need arises, they can run at the speed up to 40 miles an hour. They spot covered sharp horns that may grow to be 2 feet long. These large grazers feed on plains, grasses, herbs, shrubs, and twigs. They regurgitate their food and chew it as curd before final digestion. An estimated 20 to 30 million bison once dominated the North American landscape. From the Appalachians to the Rockies, from the Gulf Coast to Alaska, habitat loss and unregulated shooting reduced the population to just 1,091 by 1889. Today, approximately 5 lakh bisons live across North America. Fewer than 30,000 wild bisons are in conservation herds, and fewer than 5,000 are unfenced and disease free. Did you all read the paragraph? Yes? Kevish, did you read the paragraph? Show me a thumbs up if you have finished reading the passage. Yes or no? Fine. Should we do the questions? Should we do the questions quickly? Let us see how many questions can we do, okay? Because the class is going to end. Fine. So the first question is, which of these is a unique quality of bison? Which of these is a unique quality of bison? Let us go back to the paragraph. Which of these is a unique quality? Where is the answer? They are the heaviest animal in the whole world. Despite their massive size, bisons are quick on their feet. They are tallest animal in the world. They emit a funny sound that can be heard till 50 miles. What is the answer? What will be the answer? Who has given the answer? Yes, yes, yes. Nidansh? So they have a unique quality that despite of their size, they can run very quickly. Correct? So that is their quality. Yes, Manish? Yes? Kevish? Fine. So the answer is option B. So clear till now with all the questions that we've done? Any doubt, any words that we've not understood, or any question that we've not understood? No? Clear? Clear, Medansh? Yes. Clear, Kevish? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. One more question we can do, and then we will end the class. Okay. According to the passage, what are the main food choices of bison? So what do bisons eat? I'm showing you the paragraph. Grasses and herbs, small animals, grasses, herbs, twigs and shrubs, thorny shrubs and spicy herbs. Okay, let us see. Okay, so where is the answer given here? What do they eat? They feed on plains. So they eat grasses, herbs, shrubs, and twigs. Can you see the answer that I have highlighted? Plains, they feed on plains, grasses, herbs, shrubs, and twigs. That is the answer. So the answer will be option C. The answer will be option C. Fine. So we have more questions to go, but today we will be finishing the class here. Okay. So your classes, regular classes, will start from which date? Who knows? Type it in the chat box. Yes, Medansh. When will the classes start? When will the test series start? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, we will be starting the classes from 18th of September, and the classes will be on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, 3 days a week, and the timings will be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Okay, okay, right? So over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So kids, hope you have enjoyed the demo. So would like to know the feedback that how was the class? Quickly type it in the chat box in one adjective. Kavish, I want your answer. You have to type it in the chat box. Okay, so Manish, fees is 2,500. Okay, I'll reply. It will be 10 session course. You'll be given 10 test papers, okay? For practice in classes. Anybody else is having any query related to the same? Or you're eager for your classes? That's all then. Quickly type it in the chat box. How was the class? Was it good? Fantastic? Average? How many classes are there in total? 10.
Medansh has typed fantastic.
Great. I guess he's typing to you directly.
Yes, he's
Not
typed
it.
directly
Great.
to me.
Good to know that. Very nice. Then what are you waiting for? Your session will be going to continue soon. Okay, so quickly enroll for this batch and we'll see you in the classes. Right? Till then, take care of yourself and we'll see you in the classes. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Medansh, all doubt clear? Sorry, Manish, all questions clear? Any other question? All right, great. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.